I think this is a really great way of doing it, because I actually get like a touch and feel of whatever I'm buying and paying for and what I'm getting. Gives me a much better idea. So I think I'm really happy with this. And of course, I've been your customer since years, and it's always been a pleasure dealing with Sundaram. I mean, can't thank you guys enough. You've all gone out of your way to kind of, cater to my needs. Yeah. So thank you so much. Pleasure dealing with you.
Thank you so much.